Hi folks, welcome to Barry's Bench. Today we're going to be showing you the finale episode of the Clever Models central camera build. We finally finished all the lighting on it, the walls are complete, the roof's on, all the roofing details have been added. So it's time to wrap this up and get on to the next project. So just bear with us for a moment here and then you will be getting a view of the building as it's complete. So here we have the front wall of the building. You can see the signage is all complete. I've added on the little side sign here using brass tubing and ran the wiring through in the back. All the interior details are now complete. Around this side here, we have all the recessed window detail, the access hatch for the heating system. Over on this side, we have another recessed window in the back here. All the beautiful artwork on the Clever Models kit. On the back, there was the old name. We've changed the name, but we never removed the sign from the wall. Here's the rear entrance. As you can see, I've added air conditioning and the ducts on the roof. So now we are complete. And the new name is known as Froggy Photo. That was an idea from my wife, and she did the graphics here for me and the such. She's a wonderful, talented artist with Photoshop. Froggy Photo is based on the name of our photography studio, Brass Frog Photography. So let's see what this thing looks like lit up. There you go. You see a full interior lighting. See all the cameras in the window. As I've told you before, the shelving and all these display models here are simple cardstock cutouts that were printed out. Here we have the same thing for a camera bag, but in the back in there, there's an actual O-scale field camera from Berkshire Valley Models. That was a little kit I assembled. Inside the very back is a box of an image of the interior showroom. And we also here have the Froggy Photo sign for Kodak. So I think we can call this one a wrap. I hope you folks have really enjoyed following along with the build. The next building we will be building will be going right here. It's about this. It's really the same size as this structure, but it's a bakery. It's the Who's Your Mama bakery kit from Clever Models. So on this side of the track, they'll move the loading dock from the rear to the side so we can better see it in the pizza box layout. So I'll be doing some build videos in that, not as extensive of a build video as the last two series, because I've shown all the major techniques I wanted to show for how to build these cardstock models and light them and reinforce them. So I'll be doing more what's unique about this build, any modifications I'm going to make, as I will be doing new signage, some different kind of signage. I don't think it'll be any lit signage in this fashion, but I believe I'm going to try and do with like lampshade type lights pointed up at a sign to front light it. So that has all been determined, and as I do a little bit of planning and get started on the first build video, I'll let that all come out of the bag. So folks, if you like what you've seen, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.